Hey everybody, Mark Lukia here from Redline Conditioning, and in today's video I want to talk about the end portion of the obstacle course when it comes to both the PARE test and the POPAT test. And the part I'm referring to is the very end cone when you're coming off the stairs. And so what most people do when they approach the cone, whether it's the right side or the left side, is they essentially just run all the way around it. Now, nothing wrong with that, but another method that could potentially, if not save you time, could save you more energy is to almost spin around the cone. So for example, most people will do something like this. What I'm suggesting is you spin like so. And so what that does, now actually I'll just bring this cone in a little closer. By spinning, so you plant your foot, you pivot, and you go. By doing something like that, it keeps the momentum of your run moving forward, in a sense. You're almost slingshotting yourself out of the turn. Versus if you're running, you have to slow down, plant, and then you have to really re-accelerate again. By spinning, you minimize how much you have to slow down your speed and how much energy you have to put into accelerating again. So it's something that you can give a shot. I mean, over the course of 6 laps, things add up very quickly. So if you can do something like this to try to save a little bit more energy for areas that's most important, like the machine, like the vault, then I would highly suggest doing so. So give it a shot, let me know how it goes, and if you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.